Good morning, animal and medical fans, and chicken fans. Today, we're going to look at a condition known as Bumblefoot, sometimes called chicken blackheads. As we take a look at some examples, I'll do my best to describe the condition. If you enjoy the video, please click subscribe, and also the bell for notifications. Without clicking the bell, YouTube will suppress our better pops from your feed. Bumblefoot is a bacterial infection and inflammatory reaction on the feet of birds, rodents, and rabbits. Bumblefoot is referred to as sore hocks when it affects a rabbit and bumblefoot when it affects a bird. Put simply, it's an infection that commonly affects chickens that live in enclosures. The best way to prevent this is to keep a clean and comfortable environment for your animals. As you take a look at some clips and images, you can get a better sense of how the feet are cleaned, treated, and bandaged.
Or if it's...
The pad is what's top of the foot?
Yeah, like this foot stuff.
Oh.
दोनों साइड पट्टी करती है ते 5 मिनट का काम सी रेंज करता है मुरत आपको पहले कच्चे पार आउंडे सी रेंज कर रहा है मुरत
Take this off. Pick all around it. It will slightly hurt her, make her feel a little bit uncomfortable, as any sort of scab or anything will do. So as you can see, starting to get all that bit out.
In the spirit of keeping a clean environment and a face free of blackheads, let's take a look at some of my favorite blackhead removal kits. Don't forget to check out our favorite blemish removal toolkit. This beautiful 7-piece set is available on Amazon and will fulfill all your popping needs. It has a lancet for big jobs, a spade for those hard-to-reach corners, the cone extractor for big jobs, and loops of various sizes. This kit has everything you need to start popping like a pro. Each one has been hand inspected for quality, and the case keeps them stylish and discreet. Don't be fooled by flimsy, low-end knockoffs. Pick up yours today by using the Amazon link below. Thanks for watching.